Let's take this across to our reporters on the ground to tell you really what the situation is in different cities across the country. Pankaj Upadhyay joining us live from Mumbai. We also have Nikhil Lakwani joining us live from Delhi. Let's focus first on the state of Maharashtra. And before I take this across to Pankaj, let me just sum up exactly what the situation is. Remember, Maharashtra is the worst affected state from COVID-19 in the country. The state has recorded 4,878 cases in the last 24 hours. This takes the total number of COVID cases to over 1,69,000. 245 people also have lost their lives on Tuesday. Over 7,600 people have died in the state due to COVID-19 so far. Financial capital Mumbai recorded 893 cases and 93 deaths on Tuesday. Mumbai has over 77,000 COVID cases. It's the second worst affected city in the country after Delhi. The BMC, meanwhile, has marked 726 areas as containment zones in Mumbai, while there are more than 3,000 such zones in Mumbai metropolitan region, which includes cities like Navi Mumbai and Thane. Due to the rise in the number of cases, lockdown in Mumbai has been extended till July 31st. Let's take this across to Pankaj Upadhyay for more details. Pankaj, good morning. Any change really that Mumbaikars are going to be seeing on the ground with Unlock 2.0 coming into effect from today? Are things going to be opening up further, or are we going to see the same state of lockdown continuing for the next 1 month?
Akshita, good morning. The notable change that we'll be witnessing today, that is from 1st of July, is going to be that the railways are going to increase the capacity of the local trains to 350. But this increase in capacity is only for the essential services personnel. Like in a central line, till date, there were 200 trains that were running, 150 would be added to it. In the western line, 202 were running, 148 would be added to it more. So in totality, 350 trains, the capacity has been increased to. Remember, select services had started in Mumbai on 15th of June, but now the government feels that it needs to slowly increase its capacity. But this is, as I mentioned, this is only for the essential services personnel, not for the general passengers or the general public. So this is the notable change that we'll be seeing from today. But of course, as you rightly pointed out, situation continues to remain critical in Mumbai. As far as the COVID-19 cases in the financial capital is concerned, we have now crossed the 77,000 mark. In the last 24 hours itself, more than 800 cases came to light. And as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray himself has said that the situation continues to remain critical, but we need to open up as well. But the onus lies on the people of Mumbai. They need to abide by the rules. And
Absolutely.
That's why wearing of the mask has been made compulsory, even if you are inside your own personal vehicles.
And the BMC has said that after chase the virus, their strategy now is save life strategy. So that also will be interesting to see how the BMC goes about that. Let's focus on Delhi. Mumbai is the second worst affected city in the country. Delhi is the worst affected at this point. Numbers have definitely come down in the national capital. But let's understand what Unlock 2.0 is going to be like in the national capital. Nikhil Lakwani is joining us live this morning. Nikhil, good morning. If you could just sum up for us what Delhiites can expect from today. Are things going to be opening up more?
Well, Akshita, a very good morning to you. And starting from today, the new guidelines for Unlock 2 will come into effect. But there are very slight changes if we compare it to the Unlock 1 guidelines. Now, these guidelines states that the lockdown will continue to remain in the containment zone areas. That means only the essential services will be allowed in the restricted areas. But there are certain services that are still not allowed outside the containment zones. Now, these services or these activities are school, colleges, gymnasiums, swimming pools, bars, clubs. So these are some of the activities which the government says that will be closed till 31st of July, and a separate order and separate SOPs will be coming for these particular activities. But apart from this, night curfew timings have been relaxed as of now. Now starting from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. the night curfew will take place. Also, if we talk about the shops, the guidelines states said the shop can have more than 5 people at a time depending on their size. Now also if we talk about the movement of people, we are very well aware of the fact that the passenger trains and the flight activities have been resumed, but the guidelines says that these activities will be expanded in a calibrated manner. So these are some of the changes which we are going to witness in Unlock 2. But as the Prime Minister yesterday in his address to the nation stated that people have somewhere, they are losing the guidelines. They are not following the guidelines strictly. So as of now, what we need to focus is on, we have to strictly follow all the guidelines, all the procedures provided by the government. Also, if we talk about Unlock 1, there were certain activities that were allowed. These includes the religious places, shopping malls. But we are also aware of the fact that there are very less footfalls on these particular places. But starting from today,
I think that's largely good, because as you pointed out, Nikhil, the message from the government at this point is that we need to remain cautious. We cannot afford to throw caution to the wind at this stage in the fight against coronavirus. And that's very important to highlight, even as we're slowly continuing to unlock. I'd like to thank Nikhil and Pankaj for joining us this morning for all the latest updates from their cities. Unlock 2.0 coming into effect from today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.